Here's how to delete an account in Wix.com. On your top right corner, click your image to view your account settings. Click Account Setting and go to the last option, Close your account. There will be instructions we need to work first. Move all remaining sites to trash, cancel any premium plans or domains connected. Then click Learn More on this page. You'll be directed to support.wix.com for further instructions. Lastly, click on Close your account in step 4. And again, you'll be directed to another site to answer why you're closing your account. You'll be asked to enter your password once again. Check this box here for confirmation and close account. And that is how you delete account in Wix.com.